today I have with me Dr. Millicent Ravello. Dr. Ravello, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
It's Happy New Year is what I'm doing. How are you? Things are good in the new year? I see you're in the office working already.
I am, right? January 2nd. Got to get the year started by working on a Sunday.
Oh, that's good. No better time than to just jump right in and get it moving.
Jump right in, get it moving. The reason we are on Zoom is because holidays and we haven't been able to be in the office together over the past couple of weeks much.
No.
But yeah, so we are starting off the new year. We're zooming in and we are going to get it started.
And today we're going to talk about the upcoming trends, or what is actually trending now in plastic surgery on this January 2nd of 2022.
Right. So this is our predicted forecast of what we see happening in plastic surgery in 2022, based on sort of what's, like you said, trending right now and what seems to be popular and moving along in terms of what patients are asking for with their plastic surgery requests.
Well, and I'd like to just tee it off for us right away, since I wrote the big check for the machine, for the Renuvion machine.
Yes, Renuvion, formerly known as J-Plasma, is a device. It's a skin tightening laser that has been getting a lot of popularity recently, mainly from social media because it's a cool thing to watch on social media,
Totally.
and because of the amazing results.
Yeah, the results are pretty outstanding. I mean, I have been a fan of laser liposuction for years. I mean, literally, when Smart Lipo came out, I tried it out. I didn't love Smart Lipo. Then I jumped on and the Alma product I like. And obviously, I will mention that I am a luminary for Alma lasers, which means that I speak for them and get paid for it. But I think that was sort of an after the fact thing. The laser lipo really did provide some skin tightening along with the liposuction, so that you could see it literally on the table where you're watching the skin kind of get tighter and shrink up after you've done the suction and while you're doing the suction. So this Renuvion's a little different in that it sort of is a post. You do your liposuction and then you're filling up the space where you did the liposuction with a gas, basically with helium, and then putting a charge through it, which makes it into, it's a lot like the argon laser, which
Right.
You and I used a lot on livers when we were doing general surgery. So it's very similar. Yeah. Right. But it works, and it does. It shrinks the skin. It's going to make it tighter, and you can see the results on the table. It's impressive.
Yes, this is sort of the next step or the next generation of skin tightening liposuction devices. Previously, up till now, all we really had was the laser lipo, which worked great. And then this is sort of the next step. And it uses radio frequency technology, which we have been using for many, many years on the face, on the body, but typically from an external application. So you're applying the radio frequency energy directly to the skin and then watching it tighten. The limitation to that is that you are limited in how much energy you can apply because you obviously don't want to burn the skin. So the Renuvion uses the same kind of technology, but because we're applying it internally under the skin while we're doing our liposuction or after we've done our liposuction, you can sort of turn the heat up a lot more and get much more significant tightening results because you're getting a higher amount of heat and energy on the skin while still not burning it.
Yeah, and that makes all the difference. The safety profile of this machine is pretty impressive.
Yeah.
And that's what I really like about it, because the way that I see using it is in these sort of larger volume liposuction cases where I'm going to get a good result just from doing the liposuction. But then if I can get the skin to improve and get tighter, I'm all about that. And in fact, it is the first case I'm doing tomorrow.
So there you go. We're getting ready.
So we're teeing off with a little Renuvion. So yes, it's trending. Yes, we're into it. And I've seen, in my patients, the patients I've done this for already, loving it. I think it's really going to be a game changer in terms of what we're able to do with the skin tightening and liposuction.
Yeah, for sure. And I think the best patients from a body standpoint are going to be those patients that may potentially need a tummy tuck. Maybe they have some loose skin, but they don't really need it. They're not quite there yet.